Guys, I'm Sriram.r studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. The topic is using with inheritance. The subject is object oriented programming Java. Using final inheritance. Using final inheritance. Final with inheritance. Explore how the final keyword in Java interacts with inheritance. Create a secure, predictable code. What is final in Java? Immutable encapsulation. The final keyword designates the variable methods and classes that cannot be modified after a initialization. This ensures the data integrity and predictable behavior. Encapsulation. It enhances the encapsulation by preventing subclasses from overriding or altering protected members. In final Java, there are two types: immutable and encapsulation, as I described in below. Using final with variables. Constant and preventing modifications are the variables of the final variables. Declaring a final variable make it a constant whose value cannot be changed after assignment. Preventing the modification, subclasses cannot override or modify final variable inherited from superclass. Using final with methods, as we say that 1 and 2 prevent overriding and efficiency. Prevent overriding and efficiency are the two types of methods using final with inheritance. Prevent overriding, declaring a method final prevents, means declaring a method final prevents subclasses from overriding. It ensures the consistent behavior across the hierarchy, as they are saying that ensuring the consistent behavior is across the hierarchy. Efficiency, the compiler can optimize the final method's potential, improving performance. As the compiler can optimize and final methods potentially, it can improve its performance while using these methods. As we say in the using final with classes, preventing inheritance. Declaring a class, final class, prevents other class from inheriting from it, vertically sealing its implementation. Security. This provides an extra layer of security of ensuring that class behavior remain unchanged. Benefits of using final with inheritance. Improved code stability. Final members enhance the code stability by preventing unwanted modification, making code predictable and reliable. Encapsulation and abstraction. The final keyword supports the encapsulation by restricting access to the implementation details, and enhanced security by limiting inheritance. Overriding final helps protect the integrity and functionality of codes. Benefits of using final with inheritance are improved code stability, encapsulation, abstraction, enhanced security. These are the three types. Challenges and considerations. Limited flexibility and design consideration. Limit flexibility. Using final can reduce flexibility, especially if future changes require overriding in modification. Design considerations. Carefully consider the impact of final on the design and maintaining maintainability of your code base. And as we limited flexibility, using final can flexibility, especially if future changes requires overriding or modification. As they are telling the challenges and consideration using with inheritance. Design consideration also carefully impact in final inheritance, so and design maintainability of code base also. So these are the challenges and considerations of the using with final inheritance. Okay, next we move on to best practices and the conclusion. used strategically or prioritized design. Use the final keyword they are actually telling the best practices of the conclusion of the using final inheritance. They are using in a strategical method as the final keyword judicially ensure the core stability. Means it ensures the core stability in the final inheritance, but balance it with the flexibility. And prioritize design. Prioritize a well designed structure code base to minimize need for excessive use of final. As we say, prioritize design is a well designed in the final analysis. Also, it is structured code base to minimum need of excessive use of final. So these are the two types actually used strategically and prioritized designs. These are the conclusions for the, as we say, for the final inheritance. Thank you guys.